Hi guys, so in this video we are going to cover how to read from files, write to console and write to files. So let's start. First of all, let's see the input and output files that we are going to use in this video. So this is the input file. Here it's written hi, I am Iron Man, and here's the output file. So you can see these two files are going to used in this video. So let's start. So first of all, I will discuss two methods to take input from files or read files. So first off, we'll be file f1 new file. My file name is input.txt. One thing here, if you are using this as your file name, then please mention the complete path, either or you have to put your input.files in your workspace, so both will work fine. Okay, now scanner. So basically I am going to use scanner class here. Okay, f1 and while sc dot has next, basically don't has next, it will be has next line, print the content of line. Okay, sc dot next line. Okay, so you can see that if I will run, so you can see here I am Iron Man. So this is the first case that we are using a scanner class to read the file, and it will print the input of the file line by line. Second, I am going to use file input stream and buffer reader. That's my favorite. I will show you why. File input stream new file input stream. Similarly, mention the same here input.txt, your input file name, and define here buffer reader. Basically you have to read new buffer reader, new input stream reader. Okay, you don't have to write this, new input stream reader, and pass that file input stream. Okay, so I think there is some error, so let's remove this. Okay, so that's the thing. Basically you have to check whether you have imported the right stream reader or not. So this is the thing. Okay, next to define string st while, now I will read from the line, while st equal to br dot read line not equal to null, I will print the content of st. Okay, when you will run, you will get the same output as hi, I am Iron Man. Now why I prefer this over the scanner one, because here you can do this, and st dot split. regex I will cover in the next video. I don't know what was the error. String st, I have used it before. I think that's a different. Wait. Okay, so that's why the error. Okay, so you have splitted the entire line into an array of strings. Now you can print it like this. So that's the thing that always prefer over that scanner class, because you want to convert the entire thing according to your output. Suppose you have taken input as an integer, so you will parse it to integer, so it will be easy for you to read from file. So you can see here I am Iron Man. You can use a split function to split. Okay, and suppose if you want to write to file, then what will you do? Similarly, file output stream is there. First define a file f2 new file and take its name as output.txt. okay, same, if the file will be created in your workspace by if the file is present, then it won't be created. If the file is not present, it will be created in your workspace. Either you have to mention the entire path where you want file to be created. Similarly, I am going to use file output stream and mention the file name f2. Same buffer writer here, because I am going to write. Okay, new, here you have to mention output stream. Okay, output stream writer. Okay, and here you have to write file output stream. Okay, fine. Now you have created now if you want to write something to your file, bw.append. there is something called as append, or you can use write. This is something, if I want to write 300 and bw dot new line. Basically, if you want to write anything, you can write here. No one is I love Iron Man 300. Okay, so you can write like this, and every time you can change the line using vw.newline, and you will have to close. Okay, so you have to close this. Similarly, here you can also do one thing. Here you can do sc.close. so basically scanner class will be closed. Okay, so I will show you the content of the output file. Wait a minute, saved it, now run. So it's terminated. Now let's see what is the content of the output file. Okay, so here you can see the content of the output file. So here you can see the output of the output file. Okay, so I love Iron Man 300. Okay, so this is the thing that you have to remember, and basically it's easy. I think it's easy in Java. So thank you guys for watching. In the next video I am going to cover comparable function and some part of collection. So thank you.